The mighty Hummer, once a symbol of excess, now returns to the earth, a monument of rust in the relentless sun.
The beast. It's worse than I thought. Look at that rust.
I don't know, it seems like a lost cause.
No, there's potential here. This chassis is solid. All right, let's see what we're dealing with here. It looks worse up close.
That windshield is completely shot.
Yeah, and this bumper is barely there. We need to be careful with this frame.
All right, we've reached the garage.
Keep the pressure steady.
Try not to hit the rust.
Careful with that left mount.
Almost got it.
Let's bring the hoist over.
The rust here is pretty bad. We'll need to remove all of it before the repair. Noted.
Keep the alignment again.
Yes, that mount doesn't seem right.
Let's try adjusting it with the jig. All right, let's see what we've got here. Careful with the tape. Looks like everything's here. Numbers against the order.
For any damage.
Perfect match. Let's get them organized.
Set.
All right, first we'll get this intake manifold off. You can see the damaged cylinder head clearly now.
Yep, look at that corrosion.
Yep. We'll use the...
With the cylinder head secured, we're now carefully torquing down the intake manifold to ensure a perfect leak-free seal.
Make sure the harness clips securely.
Tightening this connection now.
Overhaul. Now, the final torque on these bolts. All right, tighten the bolt down slowly. You can feel that grab.
Yeah, I got it. It's secure now.
Perfect, that should do it.
All right, make sure that bolt is seated tightly. Now let's get the wire brush and steel wool on this fuel tank.
Keep scrubbing that area, get all that rust off.
All right, I'm wiping it down. Looks good.
Rows. The team carefully positions the Hummer, ensuring optimal alignment, now applying a thin layer of clear coat at a precise angle.
Składa problem with Bible na metafors, right? And when you read the most small na składowa, materials and one sepa. That's the those słodnie strain it's.
All right, looking good. Make sure to hit that edge.
Got it.
It's perfect. Nice and smooth now.
Ensure the gasket is perfectly flush and centered. Check the water pump and thermostat housing connections for any play.
All right, gaskets seated. Bringing the manifold over. Engaging starter. We did it. Flawless. Fantastic job, team. Let's go. All right, time to hit the road. Engine's ready. Let's go.
The Hummer H1. Adventure meets luxury. We'll make sure every detail shines.
The camera pans across the fully restored Hummer H1, capturing the warm glow of the softbox lights as they highlight the rich desert sand metallic. Welcome to the showcase of this magnificent, fully restored Hummer H1. Look at this rich desert sand metallic paint.